Hey, good morning, everybody. I can't wait for you guys to see this truck once I get it outside and start taking some photos and video. Look at that teaser right there. Hey, we're gonna do a cold start here this morning. It's cold. Cold. I just turned the heat on here in the shop. It's about 50 degrees in here, about 27 outside. Just gonna walk around quick, let you hear that engine go down the low idle on its own. Hear how quiet the exhaust is yet. I know some of you guys are gonna want to throw duals on here, and that's totally cool, but for those of you who like that stock sound, man, this truck sounds good. Right down to low idle. I can't wait. I seriously cannot wait to take you guys out later. We're gonna head into town, take some pictures, and then snap some video here. You know, me driving the truck and stuff that way. Take care.